Creating your own hashtag on Instagram is very easier than might you think. After watching this whole video, you will able to make your own hashtag on Instagram, because in this video I'll show you how to make hashtags on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up the Instagram application and you have to make sure that your account has been logged in. After that, you have to go to profile, and here you can see the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. You simply have to click on this and you have to create a post. For the sake of the video, I am simply selecting a photo, and after selecting the photo, you simply have to click on the arrow icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then you can add filters to the post and edit the post according to your preference. Once you are happy with all of the editing, you simply have to click on the arrow again, and after that, here you can see the option of caption. You simply have to click on this, and now you have to select the hashtag icon. Now what you have to do is that you simply have to type the hashtag, but you have to make sure that this hashtag is only new and is unique and not used by anyone else. For example, I am typing, and after typing your hashtag, you simply have to click on tick, and after that your photo will be posted. Now as you guys can see that my hashtag has been appeared on this post. If I will click on hashtag, I will see all of the posts which you have used this hashtags. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to make your own hashtag. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.